you actually write C letters. So let's start our first letters. How to write C? Just write C first, then I'll show you how you actually need to maintain this type of techniques to write. So the first thing you have to remember, this is almost a circle, and if you write C, you just need 10% of this. You just need to cut 10% of this body, and this area is look like the C part. So if you just write from and start from here, just start from here and just do circle and maintain this straight line, just give it the straight lines here, and you have to also maintain the similar positions in these positions as well. So you just need to maintain this circle. So how you actually straight this C letters, this is the techniques. If you just start from here and just write and just the point you just need to maintain. If you just write like this letters will bend almost 45-degree, because you are just writing and maintain in the left side, so it's a wrong area. If you just try to move in the right part, so look how you actually maintain. Look, this is the straight line automatically. It's straight line because you just maintain in the right side and you just maintain the straight line. So you can easily write, see how you actually needed to start from this letter. So the first thing, you just need to start from here and just need to circle, close here and end here. Okay, you just need to give a straight line here and then end up the C, and this is the process actually you need to maintain if you want to write C perfectly. Look, this is the way you need to maintain. Please write everyone online and try to write the same positions, maintain the same positions, and just show me one line please everyone. Actually maintain if you just write E letters. So the first thing, you just need to write straight lines here, and then you just need to write straight line again. Just the middle part is very little, and the second and the sorry the third part is almost the similar positions. You should to maintain about this. So the first thing, you just need to maintain the straight line. The second step is just like this, and the middle part of this E is very little. You have to write like this way, and then just connect the the third step, and maintain the same positions here. So this is the process actually you need to maintain to write E letters. Please turn off your microphone, everyone. Just when you just talk to me, just turn on. Otherwise, turn off. Okay. So let's see how you can also write like this. Please write online and show me this. You can easily write these letters. Just cut off this way. You just cut this third part of this E structure, C step, and then look, you can easily write F letters as well. So the first thing, you need to write straight lines, and then just need to give close area, write this way, and this middle part is very little. So this is the process actually you need to write F. These two letters are almost similar. Just need to maintain one step to move F to move E. Okay, so let's write everyone online. So just need to maintain, you just need to write C first, then just need to give the straight lines here, but don't try to mix these two lines, and then just give a close area and maintain the same way to maintain this position. So this is actually C process, sorry, writing G process. So maintain this way to write like this and show me please one line.